Our homes are our havens. They are the places where we retreat after a long day, where we find comfort and solace. They are places where we feel safe and relaxed. But what if we could make these sanctuaries even more inviting and beneficial for our well-being? Did you know that bringing nature closer to our homes can make them even better? It's true, incorporating green elements into our living spaces can transform them into healthier, more vibrant environments. Plants, trees, and green spaces are not just pretty to look at, they play a crucial role in enhancing the quality of our lives. From improving air quality to providing shade and reducing noise pollution, the benefits are numerous. They are essential for making our homes stronger, healthier, and more comfortable. Imagine a home where the air is fresher, the temperature is more regulated, and the surroundings are serene and peaceful. Imagine a house with a beautiful garden, a green roof, and trees around it. This vision is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a living space that supports our physical and mental well-being. This is not just a pretty picture, it's a picture of a home that is working in harmony with nature. Such homes are designed to be energy efficient, reducing our carbon footprint and promoting sustainability. In this journey, we'll explore how green spaces contribute to the stability of our homes and why they are essential for a sustainable future. We'll look at the science behind green living and how it can positively impact our daily lives. Let's delve into the fascinating world of green living and discover the remarkable ways in which nature strengthens our homes and enriches our lives. From community gardens to green roofs, we'll uncover the secrets to creating a harmonious living environment that benefits both us and the planet.
The ground beneath our feet is more than just dirt, it's alive. Healthy soil is crucial for supporting our homes, and plants play a vital role in keeping it strong. Imagine the roots of trees and plants as tiny anchors holding the soil in place. These roots prevent erosion, which is like the wind and rain washing away the ground. Without plants, the soil becomes loose and weak. Heavy rain can wash it away, making the ground unstable for houses and buildings. Trees and plants act like nature's guardians, protecting the soil and ensuring a solid foundation for our homes.
When heavy rain falls, have you noticed how quickly water disappears into a grassy area compared to a paved road? That's because plants and soil act like giant sponges, absorbing rainwater and preventing flooding. Green spaces, with their abundance of plants and trees, slow down rainwater runoff. They give the water a chance to seep into the ground, replenishing groundwater supplies and preventing our homes from being flooded. In contrast, concrete and pavement prevent water absorption, leading to rapid runoff and potential flooding, especially in urban areas. By incorporating green spaces in our surroundings, we can create a natural drainage system that protects our homes from water damage.
Did you know that buildings can have their own gardens? Green roofs and walls are becoming increasingly popular as people discover their incredible benefits. Imagine a roof covered in plants or a wall adorned with climbing vines. These green additions aren't just aesthetically pleasing, they act as natural insulators, keeping our homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Green roofs and walls reduce the amount of heat absorbed by buildings, reducing the need for air conditioning and heating. This translates to lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. By embracing green building solutions, we can make our homes more energy efficient and environmentally friendly.
Section 5. Green lungs. Breathing easy at home. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility and clean air can be a challenge, especially in urban environments. Take a deep breath and appreciate the clean, fresh air. It's a simple pleasure that many of us take for granted, yet it's essential for our well-being. Trees and plants are like nature's air purifiers, removing pollutants and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Living in a concrete jungle with limited greenery can expose us to harmful air pollutants. The hustle and bustle of city life often means more vehicles, more emissions, and less green space to counteract the pollution. However, surrounding our homes with plants and trees can significantly improve air quality. By creating our own green oasis, we can combat the negative effects of urban pollution. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, and release oxygen, which is essential for our survival. This natural process helps to mitigate the impact of climate change and provides us with the air we need to live. They also filter out other harmful pollutants, making the air we breathe cleaner and healthier. Particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide are just a few of the pollutants that trees help to reduce. Creating green spaces around our homes is like having a breath of fresh air, literally. Not only do these spaces improve air quality, but they also provide a sanctuary for relaxation and recreation. Imagine enjoying a picnic in your backyard, surrounded by the soothing presence of nature. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance our quality of life and ensure that we are breathing easy at home.
Section 6. Plants, tiny helpers, big impact on air. Even small plants inside our homes can make a big difference in air quality. Indoor plants act like natural air filters, removing toxins and improving the air we breathe. Studies have shown that indoor plants can reduce stress, improve concentration, and even boost our mood. They create a more calming and inviting atmosphere in our homes. By adding a few indoor plants to our living spaces, we can enjoy the benefits of cleaner air and a more pleasant indoor environment.
Section 7. The sounds of silence, green noise barriers. Have you ever noticed how peaceful it feels to walk in a forest? The tranquility of nature has a unique way of calming our minds and souls. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the gentle breeze all contribute to this serene experience. Trees and plants don't just clean the air, they absorb noise pollution, acting as natural sound barriers. This is especially important in urban areas where noise from traffic and construction can be overwhelming. By creating a more tranquil living environment, greenery helps reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Imagine coming home to a peaceful neighborhood where the sounds of nature replace the constant hum of city life. Traffic, construction, and other urban noises can be incredibly disruptive. They not only affect our mood but can also have long-term health impacts, including increased stress levels and disturbed sleep patterns. However, planting trees and shrubs around our homes can create a natural sound barrier, significantly reducing noise levels. This simple act can transform our living spaces into peaceful retreats. Reducing noise levels and creating a more serene atmosphere can enhance our quality of life. A backyard filled with plants and trees can become a sanctuary where we can unwind and relax. The leaves, branches, and even the bark of trees act as sound absorbers, muffling noise and creating a calming effect. This natural soundproofing is both effective and aesthetically pleasing. By muffling noise and creating a calming effect, greenery can transform noisy environments into peaceful havens. Thick foliage acts as a buffer, absorbing and deflecting sound waves. By surrounding our homes with greenery, we can create a buffer against the noise of the outside world. This not only improves our living conditions, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of our surroundings. We can enjoy a quieter and more peaceful living environment by integrating more plants and trees into our urban landscapes. This simple yet effective solution can make a significant difference in our daily lives, promoting relaxation and well-being.
Section 8. Nature's Mood Booster. Green Views for Well-Being. Looking out of your window at a lush green garden or a nearby park can instantly lift your spirits. Studies have shown that having access to green spaces and views of nature can positively impact our mental well-being. Green spaces provide a sense of tranquility and reduce stress. They offer a place for relaxation, exercise, and connection with nature, all of which contribute to improved mental and emotional health. Incorporating green views and access to nature in our homes is like giving ourselves a dose of natural therapy.
Section 9. Green homes, valuable homes. Investing in green spaces around our homes is not just good for the environment, it's good for our wallets too. Homes with well-maintained gardens, trees, and green features tend to have higher property values. The aesthetic appeal, environmental benefits, and energy savings associated with green homes make them more desirable to potential buyers. So by creating green spaces, we're not just enhancing our living environment, but also making a smart investment in our property. Section 10. A greener future. Investing in our homes and planet. As we've discovered, green spaces, plants, and trees are not just decorative elements, they are essential for the stability, health, and well-being of our homes and the planet. By embracing green living practices, we can create a more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Let's plant trees, create gardens, and support initiatives that promote green spaces. Together, we can make a difference, one green step at a time. Remember, a greener home is a happier, healthier, and more valuable home. Let's invest in our future by investing in green spaces.